can see here the leaderboard and the transaction and your referral code here. If you want to be my part of this game, you should get my referral code. And you can see also here the rewards. If you reach level 3, you can get 200 coins and XP, and so on and so forth if you reach level 10. So don't forget to share my referral code. And here the deposit PHT. If you want to deposit here, it's up to you. It depends on you, and you can send PHT wallet address here, and or TRC10 PHT, so you can request here. And also the captain. So if you want to be a captain, you should it's up to you. If you purchase 2,950 pesos, or approximately a $20, if I'm not mistaken. So for a game master, if you want to be a game master, you could purchase if you want. If you don't like, it's up to you. It's okay. So trade badge. In this trading badge, there is a items that you would get in different chests or different quests that you made. So you can trade it here, or you can swap. Here you can see here for the items that you want to get. So news regarding this application. So since you can see here, and more PHT apps. So if you're familiar with different this PHONEUM gaming application powered by PHONEUM, so secret code. So I think it would be get in Twitter or any social media that this PHONEUM media account. So challenges, so maybe it would be coming soon. Others, and migrate page, just like deposit PHT. So you can see here the free gold. You can click here, and also if you watch to earn coins, and you can see also here the settings. So once you get through here, you should be signed in with Facebook or in Google account. So it's up to you if you want to sign in different social media account or in the Google app. So this is the game interface of this application. So you can see here the coins that I have, 1,932. So you can shop here if you want to purchase the silver, the golden special with its corresponding coins. So there's also a crypto profile picture, so you can buy it. What crypto profile do you want? So in this here you can migrate to PHT here, or if you want to deposit. So that's my PHONEUM earning. So this is the XP and I level 4. So click the quest. So you can see here the different quests. For example, dig for treasure. So I already dig 2 out of 3. And for rock paper scissors, so I win 1 game. So 1 out of 3. You can see also there correspond rewards. Spin the wheel. So later I would get there. And flip the coin. So you should flip and reach flip the coins 106 times. So just simple as that. And watch video and open chest. So that's your quest. So you can see here the shop, same in the coins, and in the chest if you want to buy 3,000 coins, 300 coins I mean, and then the buy blockchain chest 500 PHT. So click here. So you can see here the rock paper scissors. So this is the another quest. So let's start. So how this rock paper scissors work. So I lost again. So I lost. So let's start another. So let's start another. So I win. So click the diamond. So that's your patch bad treasure. So that's my treasure badge. So if you want to complete all of these, so you can trade it or redeem that you would get here. So that's the spin the wheel. So if you want to get it 2 times, you should pay. If you want 100 times, 10 times, you would pay 100 gold. So let's check. So once this number becomes 0, you should wait 19 hours or depends. So as I quest said, dig. So click this shovel. So you can dig 8 hours, 16 hours, 24 hours. So you should click the 24 hours for more digging patch treasure. So that's the how you would earn, or how would you get 1,000 to 1,050 and 4 crypto coins. So let's buy it 100. So ready to complete. So I complete the quest. So click complete. So that's my rewards. So XP, gold coins. So that's my reward. So another spin. So click the chest here. So you can see here the different cryptocurrency that you would earn. So I have 1026.64 PHT, so 0.0000500 BTC, and other different cryptocurrency here. So the minimum withdrawal PHT, so 20,000 PHT. So you can withdraw it if you want in Clever wallet. So take note of this. Do not send to exchange, Coinbase, or other blockchain wallet, as the transaction might get lost. So beware of that. So you can see here the graphics or the market analysis. So yun, that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this crypto gaming application, and see you sa next video na that I'm going to upload. See you and thank you.